Welcome back to Politics Watch. This is RP. Now today I'm going to talk about the video that is now circulating, showing 87 carrying out what, in my opinion, looks like a hit. Right? And he records the entire thing, as in the moment when I take them on live. The video starts to circle about the place. Right? Some of you might have seen it. I'm going to actually make a second video, put it on Patreon and walk people right through it and actually show them how police end up find out who, because if you don't know, police actually have somebody who they've now listed as a person of interest. And I'm going to put that video on Patreon and show the whole thing, because I can't describe it with just words. But I think I know why the police they manage might end up trace back who this individual is. Now, before I'm going any further, I want to send a special Patreon birthday shout out to none other than Jen from Canada, a long-time supporter. How long? Jen was one of the first 50 subscribers on this channel. Yes, to hear me right, the first 50. Back when I used to make videos and it looked like somebody that talked to myself, them days a year, when nobody never watched. That's how long Jen has support. So Jen, big up yourself. Hope you have a great day. And just relax, let your hair down and enjoy yourself, right? You deserve it. Big up every time. Now, back to this video. The reason why I say Mexican style is because Mexican 87s are infamous for them type of thing. They record a lot of the apps that them go on, right? And them video the whole thing. But here's the difference. When I watch the Mexican videos them, because back in the day I used to see them now, I don't really watch them no more, because you can only consume so much of them things before, right? You know, you just get to a point you're like, alright, this is just getting out of hand. There's just no need for you to consume so much of that type of content, especially all the way in Mexico. But when you watch the Mexican video them, and you watch, for example, this video from the Jamaican 87, you can see why Jamaican 87s don't last long. And as I say, he's already a person of interest. I'm not going to say why, but I'm going to put it up on Patreon. I'm not going to say why, right there, so but yeah, your favorite 87 isn't very bright. As for the man who lose his life, he has been identified as 56-year-old landscaper Everton Peart. And based on how I see the video play out, and based on how I know how certain people operate in the streets, what this video shows me is that, and this is my opinion, this was a hit. This was a hit. Somebody sent the 87 for the man, and this video is confirmation. You see, it's rare for these videos to make it to the public, but it's not rare for these videos, right, get recorded. As I said, the Mexicans are infamous sweet, but it's not rare for the videos being recorded, because enough people, enough of the man them who send people on certain apps, they want confirmation, so they can satisfy their sick tendencies, and them can laugh and say, sit there, and them share it amongst themselves. But what happened this time is look like say somebody will get it and pass it on, and you know we're living in technology era. We're living in a time where everybody have WhatsApp and IG, and just one person, if you get it and send it to one person, and then it reach all over the island. In my opinion, I that one. The whole videoing, right, these type of cruel apps, I'm not sure how far them go back to. Charmaine Rattray and Joyce Lynch, but no one can't forget that. From Lariston, the mother and the daughter, one of the most brutal slayings in recent history. The videos on my channel if you want to check it out, find out what happened. But did you know, so the Klansman them did record it on video when them in the house and start the process. So them going at the house, right? Did you know it was recorded? The same 87 where they're jail now, rushing, it was on film phone. From them going there, right, start record, pass phone to the next man, They had them chopping and whatever, them shooting. It was recorded. But the police say never get them hand on that video. The only people who see that video are the people who in the area. Because you know for them style already. Then that video show people and I laugh and I brag about it. Because at first them things say them the gateway. And them time there obviously there wasn't no WhatsApp and you couldn't easily just transfer things. Right? You couldn't just one man get it and just send it around the whole world. Them time there somebody have the video and show you it. Or you have to get the person's phone and take it off. It was very normal for client video for them apps. But I'm probably well aware of that. Especially considering what happened to your favorite artist. It was a standard thing for them. Record them apps and then laugh and joke about it afterwards. So it's not necessarily new. But this one stand out because the video clear as day. It's not that little old shaky camera where Russian them did up on their phone them time there. This one clear as day. See the man on the ground and I told you that the 87 just casually walk off like it was another day at the office. He look like say, you know, mailman just drop off their mail and then gone at the next house can drop off the next mail. That's how casual this 87 was taking the man's life. One people in Jamaica for know say are them money on the ball final. You see the brother we care about the shooting at them money on the ball final. One time them lose them life. And them kerosene come on TV come ball or them neighbors come black road at them money on the ball final. You notice how him cool like a cucumber. Easy does it, right? Except when a film time for dead. Except when him not wanted and him under pressure and then you hear him call newspaper and talk about sir, me not trouble nobody, sir. Them have my name mixed up in that thing because sir me don't. And you notice how them not have the same cool attitude when time to face the judgment. When them carry out them kind of apps, the baddest thing on 2 feet. The baddest thing ever. Yeah, we just got wet up man. 5, 6 in the head and gone about business. Me not afraid of nobody. Then when that time, right, things get serious. When you hear them, right, if them alive, when you hear them, and them record, me not do nobody nothing. I just do this and them a fight against me. And or you hear your mother, or sister, or girlfriend come tell you say, him not trouble nobody, me know him, and him go there so, and all him do, every day him get up, and him just go to church, and him go pray, and me don't know why police kill him. Very, very gruesome video. Even for somebody who see enough of them things there. When I first see the video I was like, whoa. So the man them a move. This is Jamaica in 2021. Yeah. But you know what? Videos like this, even though at first when you watch them you're like, you know, especially if you're not used to seeing certain things, you might say, no man, this shows the country about to done. Let me tell you something, enough of these videos, they are a blessing in disguise. You know you scratch your head. Sir, people say it's a blessing in disguise, and I can tell you why. You see, when certain things happen, and the public not see it, out of sight, out of mind. You see the same Mexican videos that we talk about? Them videos they help put the Mexican government under pressure to the point that them did have to go face, right, the cartels. Them did have to go. Because now the rest of Mexico say, hold on, them things that go on in the country. Me tell me say me live over here so because you know Mexico is a big place. One side of the country, you have parts of the country where peaceful, completely peaceful, and you have next part. Because most of Mexico's badness is centralized in a small geographical area relative to the size of the country, you know. So enough people, you probably hear about some food, but when you see it and people see Mexican man might put man, woman, picnic on their knees, and in a record it forced the Mexican government to get serious. So you see them kind of video in Jamaica, it forced the Jamaican government and Jamaican security forces to get serious, because it's in a case of just hearing say 2 people lost their lives in Jones Avenue. When you hear that, as a Jamaican, you're like, oh, another one. But when you see the video, when you see it, when you see the end result, people say, no, cannot tolerate this. Videos like this have more impact than when you just read it on the news. So as bad as it may look, as me say, it's a blessing in disguise. Because now, the public are saying them things are going, and man have the audacity to video it. No, them take this a joke thing. And that put your favorite leaders under pressure. And they should be under pressure. See, it all boils down to, see, they can't do it or they want to do it. Because here's the thing. When people jump up and say, what you talk about my favorite leader for, what you want him to do? Then you see him do, what you want him to do? You why I laugh when time see people say that. Because when your favorite leaders are in opposition, them have all the answers, right? Make the biggest talk, right? So, now that's I feel them turn to the hot seat. We have to ask the question, what go on? It baffled me that the public are so loyal to party and politician that they are going to tell me, say, man, you must love man, what you want him to do. I don't know how about their job. How about that? We can start this one. Whichever politician and party is in the hot seat in a power, I don't get the questions. Deal with it. If you're upset, hit the dislike button. People are going like say, the public not asking a question of them favorite leaders. Right? When the whole of them, when they're in a opposition, them have the most talk. That come like, you have a mistress, right, on this side. A mistress attack every day. Say, if a me was the wifey, me that do this, and you see the wife need to do this, and she need to make sure she cook the oxtail, and she need to make sure she cook the curry goat, and she need to make sure she have whole of vegetable and carrot juice, then she need, and then you know hear that and then run go left for your wife and bring in mistress. And when mistress come in now, our mistress do a still every day, cock up in front of TV or watch Netflix. No oxtail no put on, no curry goat no put on. So what go on? When you did out on the wings, you make all this big talk, all these big promises, and when you're there, so cock up and run up light bill. That go on the politics, you know. When one party in power, them have no idea of doing nothing. But then tell us the boy them back against the wall, there's not much them can do. And the one they not in power, right? Them have an entire encyclopedia full of answers, strategies, plans and all kind of foolishness. And as them get in power, it's like the plan them and the strategy them last. Now when they have to carry turn over, what carry the strategies them, I must turn over down a flat bridge. And matter of fact, let me play a clippings right now from the current Prime Minister of Jamaica when he was not in power.
Well-thinking Jamaicans should raise their voice in concert against the high levels of crime and against the government in not doing enough in control.
Hold on there, you hear that? You go play it again, you know. You go play it again for the LIQs one at the back, right? Who keep, I tell me say, well, Lodi, what you want him to do? Lodi, your boss just say. Your boss just say. Well-thinking Jamaicans. Matter of fact, I'm play it again.
Well-thinking Jamaicans should raise their voice in concert against the high levels of crime and against the government in not doing enough in control.
There you go. I love that speech. I love that saying, Prime Minister Andrew only. So guess what? Now I hear time. Right. So now, over here, so the Patreon Squad, the PIA, we raise our voice in concert, right, about not doing enough because I you say so. Right. Not doing enough. Numbers don't lie. I find it strange how people are so passionate, right, about, you know, politicians and so passionate about defending their favorite entertainers and, you know, celebrities. They're so passionate. If Jamaicans are the same passion for their communities, for their families, for their homes, Jamaica, they probably look like Singapore or Switzerland. Right now, if you want to see a Jamaican get worked up, if you want to see somebody, if you want to see people send me essays, just make them hear me talk about them favorite politician or them favorite artist. People send essays. Yeah, that's true. So them granny or them pitney me I talk about. And them probably only want to say me talk about them pitney because Jamaican groupie culture so strong. If you tell a Jamaican, say, no, say, your pitney I don't say, him probably say, actually, you ain't done to real. In done side, but just like King Poopa. If you tell a Jamaican, say, no, say, your favorite artist dance, or your favorite artist a cook, your favorite politician a cook. It light one spark in them belly because how dare you talk about the people who them love and care about the most. Anyway, I'm leave this one right there. So, as I say, I'm going to do a second video on Patreon, break down the actual clip. Right. Patreon squad, big up on yourself, look out for that video in about half an hour's time. PIA, you don't know, more life. Vulture squad, go and do your thing. Bless.